Well, all right, my friends, and as you can see that what happened before, and that's the reason why I say don't do this at home and don't copy the stuff that I do is because as I was doing it, um, the thing, the thing, the thing exploded on me while I was opening it up, and bits of it went flying. I don't know why the manufacturers set this up to be so difficult to open and service, because obviously if anything goes wrong and they wanted to service their own product, this kind of casing would make it nearly impossible. So maybe they don't ever plan to do any service or fix anything for clients. Anyway, enough of that. It is a pretty straightforward product. Basically, as you can see here, there are these batteries. I thought they are definitely going to be
Likey